Hello and welcome back to Chopstick Maths. In this video, we will learn about geometric interpretation of complex numbers. As you all know, the Cartesian coordinate system, which consists of the horizontal x-axis and the vertical y-axis, and any point P can be represented on the Cartesian coordinate system with the help of two coordinates x and y. Similarly, a complex number can be represented on an Argands diagram. Now, what is this Argands diagram? It consists of the horizontal axis, which represents the real part, and a vertical axis, which is the axis that represents the imaginary part of the complex number. These two axes are mutually perpendicular to each other. To describe the position of points in the Argands diagram, we have to use their real parts and their imaginary parts in the Cartesian form. X is the real part and y is the imaginary part. Now let us see some examples of complex numbers and how we can plot them on an Argands diagram. Now this is an Argands diagram. The horizontal axis represents the real part of the complex number and the vertical axis represents the imaginary part of the complex number. Now, let us see the first example. Z is equal to 3 plus 2i. The real part is 3 and the imaginary part is 2. So, it is just like plotting the points 3 and 2 on the Cartesian system. So here we have 3 and we go up 2 units and we have the point 3 and 2 and we write it as 3 plus 2i. So this is the point, that is the position of the complex number 3 plus 2i. Let us plot the second number, negative 2 plus 2i. X is negative 2 and y is positive 2. So this would be negative 2 and let's go 2 units up. So this point is the position of the complex number negative 2 plus 2i. Now, the third complex number, negative 3 minus 5i. Now this is represented here, negative 3 and 5 units below. So this particular point is the position of the complex number negative 3 minus 5i. And finally the point 2 minus 5i, which can be plotted. 2 is the real part and 5 units below, which is the negative 5. So this particular point is the position of the complex number 2 minus 5i, where the real part is 2 and the imaginary part is negative 5. So this is how you will plot the points on a Argands diagram. Thanks for watching.